on cheating. And you know you shouldn't be here. Macbeth doesn't like you since you're the king of this castle.
I'll protect you. Ah!
Yay!
Who are you talking to?
Huh? Nobody. Nobody, honey.
Who is that?
Nobody. He's nobody.
You're lying!
It's nobody. It's nobody.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not!
He asked me here to see you. He wants to talk to you.
Why would you do such a thing like that?
Because he wanted to talk to you.
I don't care. I
But,
don't know why
I
you
mean,
wouldn't think that's a good idea.
What are you doing here? Get out now.
what do you mean get out? This is my castle. So you can have you a seat now. And I'll go get y'all some drinks.
What's he doing here?
He said he has something for me.
I don't care. I don't like him.
Okay, but he said he has something for me.
Okay, doesn't mean anything. Just because this is his castle doesn't mean anything.
Hello, my
Doesn't mean
love.
anything.
What is
Hello.
this?
I'm kissing my wife.
Wife? What is this, Daisy?
I couldn't choose. I love both of you. I love both of you.
What do you mean you love both of us?
No, I love you.
What do you mean? And you cheated.
No, Macbeth. He's just a lying piece of
What'd you just say?
nothing. I didn't say anything. You. Oh my God! What have you done?
What do you mean?
I mean,
You can
what?
be with Gatsby now.
But now I have no riches.
What do you mean you have no... What are you doing? Gatsby entered.
Gatsby, I love you. I'm sorry.
I love you too. Let's drink.
We have rights to this castle.
Yes, we do. Good acting pays off.
And you cheated.
Macbeth, stop. He's a lying piece of
What'd you just say?
you filthy mutt.
And you cheated.
It's your fault, you stupid, worthless piece of
Wrong.